Hello guys, so today we have something new here. So we got a caliper covers to install for this Volkswagen Mark 7.5. We got the calipers installed already. Now the one of them is done. Basically has provided the manual. To be honest, I have no idea how to do it, but obviously they provided this manual, which I don't have any idea because it's in Chinese or I don't know what language. There's some English as well, but can't understand. So I had to sort something myself out. So we're trying to do something here. We should be able to fit it, but I'll show you the result afterward. I think we found out the way it should be. So basically we have to put a washer there and try to put a bolt there, and that's how it's going to be. And there's 4 of them, 2 for the back and 1 from the front, 2 for the front. Basically one of them is done, not yet. We're gonna fit that up and the other side as well, and I'll show you the result afterwards. Thank you.